part in a play in 2008. It's a play called Afsane Bai Se Baiskop Tak. For Afsane, he was nominated for Best Supporting Actor in the 2009 Meta Awards. He was the youngest ever nominee at Meta at the age of 19. Continued to do theatre for a couple of more years. He started his film acting career with a film called Greater Elephant that went on to win the Best Film Awards at SAIFF and was a loved Hindi film. Hussein's debut Hindi film as writer was Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, which was followed by Two States. Other films that he's acted in or written are Writing, Happy Ending, Roy, Acting, Pizza, Margarita with a Straw. He is also the stuttering comedian in the Nescafe ad on TV, and he is also a regular feature in the funny sketches of AIB, the comedy group on the internet. His upcoming release as writer are Dishum and the Indian remake of Fault in Our Stars. And his running plays are The Government Inspector, Internal Affairs, One-on-One Season 2. Jazwa Baikala is proud to confer the award in the field of entertainment to Hussein Dalal, and I request Mr. Akbar Kapadia to escort him. I have known Hussein personally since childhood.
Good afternoon. My name is Hussein. I don't know many people here. No, I'm trying. It's very, how do I say? Firstly, Nishidanti standing next to me is kind of intimidating. I'm a work in progress. I think when you can reach out to people, that's your award, because trophies end up on tables, So, if you can affect somebody's life, that's your award. Because trophy क्या है कि मिल जाती है, बनवा सकता हूँ. But the respect that you get at an afternoon like this, the respect that you get here is what I work for. And that's what we sort of, as entertainers, as people who work, kind of work towards. कि किसी को मजा आ जाए, और हम थोड़े desperate होते हैं, कोई ताली बजाए तो बहुत मजा आता है. So this is the love that we kind of live for. A little bit about theatre and film and theatre करता था मैं 2007-2008 में. पार्टियों पे थिएटर में क्या पैसा नहीं है और टीवी पे नहीं आता थिएटर, तो पार्टियों पे निश्चित जैसे पॉश आंटियां मिलती थी कि बेटा कोई इज्जत वाला काम क्यों नहीं कर लेते. बट सीखा थिएटर इज अ आर्ट फॉर्म दैट वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट इनफ इन आवर कंट्री. फिर फिल्में लिखी, गलती से पहली 2 पिक्चर बहुत चल गई, तो फिर सडनली ये हो गया कि अरे थिएटर वाले ने फिल्म लिख ली. But point being, entertainment is a simple art. It's as noble or not noble as anything else. I don't know how we approach the arts in our country. The best way to approach anything is to just do it. I don't believe in formal education, and it's just a small, I'll tell you a small story from my life. मुझे ना कमरों में बहुत घुटन होती है, तो मैं क्लासरूम में नहीं बैठ पाया. और क्या है, हमारे धंधे में वक्त लगता है काम मिलने में. और मैं एक्चुअली मेरी ज़िंदगी में जो कुछ सीखा हूँ ना, वो हमारे जो सैयदना है, सैयदना मुफद्दल सैफुद्दीन, उनसे और उनके अब्बा से सीखा हूँ, सैयदना मोहम्मद बुरहानुद्दीन। मैं सब कुछ मेरी ज़िंदगी में ना उनसे सीखा हूँ। मेरे को ना बहुत सालों तक काम नहीं मिल रहा था, और मैं एक हमारी वाइज होती है, सर्मन एक ये होती है, और उन्होंने ना आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट बोल दिया कि नाउम्मीद की खुदा की बेइज्जती है। और मेरा भी वही हो गया कि वाटर लाइन है। और कभी-कभी and everything I've learned, in my opinion, the best writer I know is the late Sayyidina Mohammed Burhanuddin. I keep quoting him in my films और तालियां बजती है और मैं पता नहीं किसको कि ये तो उन्होंने कहा था। So you learn from people. A small thing that I've learned is मेरे जैसे नौटंकी बहुत है इस दुनिया में। हम नाच गा लेते हैं, संडेज को हम नाटक वाटक कर लेते हैं। डॉक्टर्स बहुत हैं इस दुनिया में, राइटर्स बहुत हैं, स्पोर्ट्स पीपल बहुत हैं। फिलहाल हम जिस जमाने में रह रहे हैं उसमें इंसान कम पड़ रहे हैं। अब हम जब घर जाएं तो अपने बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि यार पहले इंसान अच्छा बन जा, फिर तू जो करेगा सही है। तो वो आई थिंक हमारा अप्रोच होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे धंधे में कहते हैं कि इट्स अ रैट रेस, जीत भी जा तो you're a rat. So I think somewhere it's really sweet that I have a lot of like love and respect for the Giants group of Vaitala, because it's really nice that they call somebody as young as me and as average as me in what I do to be here. And I just want to say that we should give all the kids the chance that I got, and the best chance I got from my life was that my parents said it's okay if you don't want to do anything with it. It's okay if you don't follow your neighbor's dreams. It's okay अगर उनका बेटा डॉक्टर बन गया तो। It's actually fine. और क्या है ना, खुदा को मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा फिक्र है मेरी और आपकी, तो भरोसा रखो खुदा पे। And I think that's something that I have learned. So it's been fascinating. Watch my films. Be entertained. I try to entertain, बीच में flop भी देता रहूँगा, क्या थोड़ा average होना चाहिए। But yeah, thank you. I'm having a lot of fun here, but I have to run क्योंकि क्या Sundays को मैं नौटंकी करता हूँ 2 बार, सुबह और शाम। तो मेरा शाम का शो पुणे में है। I won't be able to stay for the whole duration because some of the bounce now leave. But thank you very much. I'm honored. Thank you for sitting through my boring speech.
I actually don't drink coffee at all.
Accepting the awards does not come from you. Give it to back again.
Please formal award accepted.
The award is
Because he's leaving, I would just say, Ali Asgar, who is top now, comedy, right? Getting so many films. Everybody knows?
Yeah.
Comedy all of the first award was of Giants for right? And the person who receives the award, they reach greater heights. Now, I don't know whether Ali Asgar remembers, but I want you to tell you that when you receive the reach and greater heights, just that you say, no, love, say that it is because of Giants for Vaitala that you have. Because of your hard work, our prayers are genuine. Our prayers are